What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Virgin Galactic Holdings with the ticker symbol SPCE. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. And we'll reach there sooner than later. We are slowly working there day by day. You can see that the downtrend is still intact, so that's why I'm not changing my bias. We have not gone above or close above the EMA in a long time. As you can see here, this is the downtrend working lower. It's holding price action really nicely and rejecting prices lower. The EMA is acting as overhead resistance, and price action could not stay above it pretty much since. I'm not even going to consider this one staying above it. Looks like the last time price action was above the EMA was back here in early July, and then price action broke through it, and now it's just overhead resistance. Every time we just come up near it, we get resistance and continue lower. So nothing really bullish about this chart. We are finding some temporary support because previously price action bounced here and rallied, so there is a potential for that to happen again, but this downtrend looks like it's stronger than previously, so looks like it might be wanting to continue lower. And if it continues lower, where is it headed? Most likely gonna have to use a measured move. As you can see here, this would be the first leg down, and there was a correction up, and then this would be the second leg down because the market moves in twos, and the target is right around that $7 range or the high $6 range. I don't think the price action will reach this target, but then again, you can't be surprised when oil was negative dollars either a few years ago. You can see that there's another measured move right here, and if I were to drag this lower, you can see that this target is right around that $9.28 level. So they're pretty close to each other, so that's why I believe the price action will continue to lower, because there is some confluence here. And other than that, I'm still sticking with my target because the downtrend is still strong and working lower. It's just gonna take its time, but eventually I believe price action will reach this level. Even if we do get a break outside this channel and a rally up, I'm still expecting a retest of these lows or even a new one, so we could get some type of pattern like this. We're not out of the woods yet, even if we do start rallying up, unless the trend is very strong and there's no reversal in sight, then I might change my bias. But other than that, I'm thinking we're going to continue lower to these targets, and that's probably where I'll pick up some shares, because this company's not really making any money, but I believe in the company and what it stands for in the long term, because this could be $1 trillion company if space travel ever takes off. So there's a lot of upside potential here, so I want to limit my risk and get in at the lowest price possible using the technicals and the previous price action. And it looks like the lowest price possible was right around that $7 range. So if price action can come back there again with everything this company has done, I mean, that would be a great buy the dip and hold it for long term kind of stock. So that's why I'm considering. That's just my personal strategy for this company, but I don't mind taking a small position if we get really low, like over here. But other than that, let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart, and you can see that SPCE had a hard time breaking through that $58 range and just found resistance, continued lower. But there are some support levels right around this $14 range, so that's why we are finding bounces here. But I still think we're going to continue lower. The trend is just taking its time, just chopping very slowly back and forth, working lower and lower. And sooner or later, I still think we're going to reach that low price targets below that $10 level. If anything changes, I'll give you guys an update, but as of right now, it looks like it's just continuing to trend lower and lower, and we'll go from there. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver good content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.